If you want to improve your English, you have to improve your vocabulary, especially business vocabulary. In today's lesson, we are going to learn 3 of the must-know business vocabulary phrases. Let's go. If you need to use English at your work, if you want to improve your vocabulary, if you want to speak more professionally, then this is the lesson for you. In today's lesson, we are going to study collocation vocabulary words. More importantly, we are going to study business collocation vocabulary words. A collocation is when we put 2 or 3 words together to make a new vocabulary word. And in today's lesson, we are going to study three of the most important business collocation vocabulary words. In today's lesson, first, I will explain what each vocabulary word means. Next, I'll give you an example sentence. And finally, at the end of the video, I will give you a small test to test if you understand what each collocation word means. So make sure you watch until the very end of the video. Number 1, chair a meeting. Chair a meeting. This means that you will run the meeting. You will lead the meeting. You will get everyone to discuss the topics on the agenda. So basically, you are the leader of the meeting. Now, I said run a meeting. This is also a very good vocabulary word. Run something means you lead something. Now, for chair a meeting, a very good example sentence is, I have to chair the next budget meeting. Number 2, meet a deadline. Meet a deadline. This means that I must finish a task or a project by a specific day, by a deadline. So I have to finish something before some date. Now, whenever we talk about deadlines, I want you to use the word by. So by plus the day, or by plus the date. I have done a great lesson on this, by and until. So make sure you check out that video when you have time. It is a very helpful video for you to understand the difference between by and until. So today, meet a deadline means you must finish something before a certain day or date. A good example sentence for this is, this project is very important, so we must meet the deadline. Number 3, build trust. Build trust means that I develop a relationship. I make a relationship with my clients and colleagues. I make that relationship. That means I build trust. A good example sentence for this is, in order to build trust, We must make sure that our products are reliable. Okay, so those were 3 of the most important business collocation vocabulary words. Did you understand these words? Do you understand how to use them? If you have any questions, please leave them down below. All of these collocation words, these 3 important words, will help you at work and during presentations. If you like this video so far, if you think it's useful, please subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. Okay, so that brings us to the active part of this lesson. This is the test time. In this part of the lesson, I am going to give you a sentence with a blank spot. In that blank spot, I want you to choose one of the 3 collocation vocabulary words. Number 1, one way to something with our customers is by giving good service. What business collocation vocabulary word will you use in this sentence? All right, the answer for this is one way to build trust with our customers is by giving good service. The answer here is build trust. I want to make a good relationship with our customers. Number 2, it's your turn to something our new office policies this week. What is your answer? Okay, the correct answer here is it's your turn to chair the meeting. Chair the meeting. The answer for this is chair a meeting, or chair the meeting. And number 3, the whole team has been working long hours to something. What is your answer here? Okay, the correct answer for this is the whole team has been working long hours to meet the deadline. To meet the deadline. In this sentence, I also used a very good collocation. Long hours. The whole team has been working long hours. Long hours means they've been working a long time. They have been working many, many hours. Why? To meet the deadline. Okay, so how did you do? Did you get all 3 of those questions right? Do you understand what each of the business collocation vocabulary words means? Remember, if not, you can rewatch the video, or you can ask me any question down below. These are 3 of the most important business collocation vocabulary words. These vocabulary words will help you at work and during presentations. If you think these 3 words will help you, please subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. Today, I'm doing business collocations. I have many other videos on regular collocation vocabulary words, so make sure you check those out too. Until the next lesson, see ya. Thank you very much for watching today's lesson. Today we practice 3 of the most important business collocation vocabulary words. If you think this lesson was useful, please subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. Make sure you check out all of the other videos you see on the screen as well. Until the next lesson, see ya.